In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Freshbooks. If you're managing your finances on Freshbooks and looking for a way to streamline approvals for various documents like quotes, proposals, or invoices, you're in the right place. We'll dive into the necessary steps to make sure your approvals are efficient and effective. First off, you need to access your Freshbooks account and head over to the appropriate dashboard. Generally, the process involves navigating to the specific item you need to approve, such as an invoice or a proposal, and simply changing its status. To begin, let's look into approving a quote or a proposal. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the Quotes or Proposals section. Here you'll be able to see all of your pending quotes or proposals. The next step is to locate the particular quote or proposal that requires your approval. Simply click on it. This will take you into the details of that item. From there, you have the option to change its status to Accepted. This action effectively approves the document, making it ready for the next steps in your process. Now let's shift our focus to invoices. Approving an invoice typically involves confirming its readiness for payment. This means you'll primarily be marking it for payment in your accounts payable system. Once you have the invoice open, ensure all the details are correct and schedule a payment if it aligns with your accounting practices. Understanding this step in depth would greatly benefit from reading FreshBooks' detailed blog post on managing invoice payments. For those using more advanced or premium features in FreshBooks, automated approvals might be on your radar. Automated approval is a fantastic tool for businesses seeking to improve efficiency. However, it's essential to note that this feature is available only on advanced or premium plans. To set this up, you need to define specific conditions for auto approval within your workflow settings. Once these conditions are in place, FreshBooks automatically approves any requests meeting the preset criteria. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the margin for human error in your process. And there you have it, a clear path to making approvals in FreshBooks a seamless part of your financial management process. Remember, whether you're manually approving documents or leveraging automated workflows, these steps will help maintain accuracy and efficiency in your business operations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to revisit any part of the video if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and have a successful day managing your finances with FreshBooks.